Understanding be, a key word for IELTS success. Have you ever wondered about one of the most common and versatile words in the English language? Today, we're exploring the word be, a fundamental building block of English sentences that every IELTS test taker needs to master. Word type be is primarily used as a verb, but it's not just any verb. It's known as a linking verb or a copular verb, which means it connects the subject of a sentence to additional information about that subject. Meaning, at its core, be means to exist or to have a certain quality or state. It's used to describe the essence of something, to indicate a state of being, or to show that something exists. Word history. The word be has ancient roots tracing back to Old English and even further to Proto-Germanic and Proto-Indo-European languages. It's one of the oldest and most basic words in the English language. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at some examples of how to use be in different contexts. I am happy. Here is a form of be linking the subject I to the state happy. She is a doctor. Is connects the subject she to her profession. They are at home. Are shows the location of the subject they. There will be a party tomorrow. Be is used here to indicate the existence of an event in the future. Common errors in use. Many English learners struggle with the correct use of be. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. Forgetting to change the form of be to match the subject. Remember, it's I am, you are. Yeah, she, it is, we are, they are. Using be when another verb is needed. For example, saying I am go to the store instead of I am going to the store. Omitting be entirely. In some languages, you can say things like she doctor, but in English, you must say she is a doctor. To wrap up, mastering the use of be is crucial for IELTS success. It's a small word with big importance, appearing in countless English sentences. Practice using be in various forms and contexts, and you'll be well on your way to improving your English proficiency and achieving your desired IELTS score.